Hey guys, so for today's episode, we have Nick's Q50 here, and we're gonna be burning out some tires. Stay tuned. Sweet, this wrap is amazing. So, Nick, your Q50 is an all-wheel drive, and I hear it's impossible to burn out with this car.
No, I believe you heard wrong, sir.
Right, so how do we do that?
Okay, so for all-wheel drive cars, all-wheel drive Q50s, back here, behind your trunk liner, if you look, right there, you'll see that plug?
The
white cable.
Okay.
If you unplug this, it disables all the power to your front wheels and moves it to your back only.
So this thing up.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So
yeah, just get a key or anything you want to push in here, and that's it. Comes right out. Just leave it right there and put this back up.
Cool. All right. So now we're gonna burn it out.
All right.
So nice. Brand new tires and wheels too. You ready to burn this out?
Yes, I am.
Cool. Yeah! Who needs tires? We got some over here. Just gotta scrape it up into a pile, and we've got tires for sale. Yo! Woo! So that is how to burn out an all-wheel drive Q50, and if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe, share with all your friends. We have so much more coming up. So, yeah. Awesome work, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Woo!
Mills Garage. Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. And we'll see you next time. Mills Garage.
I can barely see. I can't see. You see?
Yeah.
I can't. Is that a good shot?
Got all three of us.
Okay, cool. Make sure you guys are following Nick, and make sure you're getting your cars wrapped to look beautiful like this. And subscribe.